In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your Wufoo form into ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have your form displayed right inside your funnel page, ready to capture entries without sending visitors anywhere else. First, head to your Wufoo account and open the exact form you want to use. Look for the Share Form option next to that form. That's where Wufoo gives you the embed options. You'll typically see two choices, a JavaScript embed and an iframe embed. Both work inside ClickFunnels. If you're unsure which to pick, the iframe option is often the simplest and most consistent in page builders because it keeps the form self-contained. The JavaScript option can inherit more of your page's styling, which can be great if you want the form to blend in, but it may be more sensitive to other scripts on the page. Choose the one you prefer and copy the entire embed code exactly as provided. Don't edit it yet, just grab it. Next, open ClickFunnels and go to your funnels area. Select the specific funnel step where you want the form to appear, then click Edit Page to enter the page editor. It helps to decide ahead of time which section or row will hold the form so your layout stays clean and mobile-friendly. Inside the editor, click Add New Element in the section or row where the form should live. From the list of elements, pick Custom JS HTML. This is the element designed for third-party embeds like Wufoo. Click the new Custom JS HTML element, then choose Open Code Editor. Paste the Wufoo embed code you copied a moment ago. If you chose the iframe version, leaving width at 100% usually makes the form responsive. If the form looks cut off later, you can come back and increase the iframe height value. If you chose the JavaScript version, avoid placing it inside multiple nested elements to reduce conflicts. Close the code editor when you're done and save your page. Finally, click Save at the top of the editor and use Preview to check that the form loads correctly. Give it a moment on the first load, as embeds may take a second. Verify that fields appear, the Submit button is visible, and the form scrolls properly on mobile. If the form doesn't appear, double-check that you pasted the full code and that there aren't extra characters. If you see extra scroll bars or clipping, adjust the iframe height and save again. Once everything looks good, your Wufoo form is successfully embedded and ready for live traffic within your ClickFunnels page.